Hello students. Now fourth exercise before 12 problems completed. Now 13th question. In the given figure, see this one, this figure. In the given figure, if PQ is perpendicular to PS and PQ parallel to SR, angle SQR equal to 28 degrees and angle QRT equal to 65 degrees, find the values of X and Y. Given that PQ is perpendicular to PS and PQ is parallel to SR. Here angle PQR equal to angle QRT. Why? Because here taking QR is transversal. QR is transversal image like this. QR is transversal, these two parallel lines. Now in these two alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles means Q are alternate interior angles. Q means here I written angle PQR. R means angle QRT. These two alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. Here QR is transversal. Now another one, X plus 28 equal to 65. Angle Q means the total angle Q means X plus 28 equal to 65. Alternate angles, this total. Alternate interior angles are equal. X plus 28 equal to 65. X equal to 65 minus 28 equal to 37 degrees. X equal to 37. Therefore, X equal to 37 degrees. And now triangle PQS, observe PQS. This triangle. In triangle PQS, we know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Means angle P plus angle Q plus angle S. PQS sum equal to 180 degrees. Means here take three letters. Angle take SPQ plus PSQ plus angle PQS equal to 180 degrees. Means sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Their angle P like right angle triangle means 90 degrees. Angle P equal to 90 plus angle S means Y degrees plus X degrees equal to 180. Here X we get here 37. 90 plus Y plus 37 equal to 180. Now here Y plus 90 plus 37 127 equal to 180. Y equal to 180 minus 127. Do subtraction, will get 53. Y equal to 53 degrees. Therefore X equal to 37 degrees and Y equal to 53 degrees. See that 14th question. In the given figure, triangle ABC side AC has been produced to D. Angle BCD equal to 125 degrees and angle A is to angle B equal to 2:3. Find the measure of angle A, angle B. Here ABC triangle they given. Answer given. Ratio they given. Angle A is to angle B equal to 2:3. 2:3 take XX means let angle A equal to 2x. Then angle B equal to 3x. Angle A equal to 2x. Angle B equal to 3x take. In triangle, exterior angle of a triangle, one exterior angle equal to these two opposite interior angles. Means angle A. Here observe figure. Angle A, angle B, these interior angles. They given 2x, 3x. Here C is exterior angle 125 degrees. We know that one exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Means exterior angle BCD. Therefore, angle A plus angle B equal to angle BCD. means one exterior angle. These two sum of opposite interior angles. 2x plus 3x equal to 125 degrees. Got it here? Understand? Next 2x plus 3x 5x equal to 125. X equal to 125 by 5. Do cancellation, will get 25 degrees. X equal to 25 degrees. Now therefore angle A equal to 2x means 2 into 25. 25 to 50 degrees. Angle A equal to 50 degrees. Angle B equal to 3x. 3 into x means 25. 25 3 is 75 degrees. So again here check it once. 125 degrees. 50 plus 75 will get 125 degrees. Means sum of two interior angles. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Now therefore angle A equal to 50 degrees and angle B equal to 75 degrees. See that 15th question. In the adjacent figure it is given that BC is parallel to DE and angle BAC equal to 35 degrees. Angle C equal to 102 degrees. Find the measure of angle BCA, angle ADE and angle CED. See this answer. AD and DE. ABC and DE they given parallel. Here 102, here 35 degrees. Here arrow symbols observe. These two parallel lines. So like that. Given that BC is parallel to DE. BC is parallel to DE and here BCE, observe that figure, plus angle BCA equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because that is linear pair. Linear pair sum equal to 180 degrees. Now BCE means 102 degrees. 102 plus angle BCA equal to 180 degrees. Angle BCA equal to 180 minus 102. 180 minus 102. 78 degrees. So this is therefore angle BCA equal to 78 degrees. And second one, find angle ADE. Angle ADE means in that observe there the total one of the triangle ADE means we know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Like that angle A plus total angle C plus here C sum of three angles of a triangle, angle A plus angle ABC plus angle BCA equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because this one sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Like angle A means given that figure 35 degrees plus angle ABC, we don't know that angle ABC, right, like that only. Angle BCA we got here 78 degrees. 78 equal to 180 degrees. 78 plus 35 113. Angle ABC plus 113 equal to 180 degrees. Angle ABC equal to 180 minus 113. Here plus 113, send that side, minus 113. Angle ABC equal to, do subtraction, we'll get 67 degrees. Now angle ADE equal to angle ABC. The two angles corresponding angles. We know that corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal, means angle ABC equal to 67 degrees. ADE also 67. Therefore, angle ADE equal to ABC means 67. ADE also 67. Here got it. Corresponding angles. These two corresponding angles based on that figure. Next, third one. In that, angle CED equal to angle BCA. These also corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. We know that corresponding angles are equal. The two corresponding angles means BCA. BCA means 78 degrees. We get in from 1. From 1. First question 2 will get this value. Angle BCA 78 degrees. Means now therefore angle CED also 78 degrees.